Hi again. Now it's time to unwrap this piece. So I just deactivated the bevel. Let's make this small, this view, and I think I need to delete all of these faces. Hit number 3 and switch to face, grab all of these faces and just hit X, F to delete them, and now switch to edge, to edge mode, alt click to select this entire edge loop, all of it, this one right here and this one right here, and just hit E and move it a bit to the Y, just like that. You don't need so much extrusion. Alright, after that, let's apply the bevel and let's see the result. Tap to the object mode and let's hit apply. Just activate it, sorry, and let's see. Yeah, everything is nice and smooth. Well, now I need just to apply it. Let's tap to the edit mode after that and let's target these corner, or you can ignore them if you want. I think that's gonna work. Let's see. Hit A, select everything, and here just hit U. And yeah, it's alright, but here it is warning, tell you about the scaling. You have some problem with the scale. Tap to object, control A, apply the scale. Tap to edit mode A, and here hit U, and there we go. Now we don't have any warning here, and it's cool. The result is nice here and acceptable. So tap to object and let's add the same checker material right here, and his and go to material, and as you see everything is square, and we don't have any distortion right here. So I'm going to accept this. Hit slash to excite, and let's see what we got here. If there anything we need to unwrap for the head. I think this piece, let's hit slash to isolate it, and let's apply the bevel with 2 segments, and there we go. Let's tap to edit mode, alt click to select this edge, G, and let's move this maybe right here. And now what we need is, let's see what we can do here. I will open this side, alt click here, or maybe alt click this. I think that's not gonna work. Let's select these. Let's select these. Let's go to solid, hit Q and mark seam, and let's target these. Q and mark seam, there we go. Now hit A and here hit U, and I think now it is cool. Everything is, oops, I got some problem right here. I just made a seam right here and I don't want it. Alt click, select this a new seam, and hit right click, a clear seam, because I don't want the seam to be here. Target this one, Q, mark seam. Hit A again and here hit U, and there we go. Now we got better results. So tap to object and add the same checker material right here, and his Z, and go to material preview, and as you see now it is nice and clean. Hit slash, and I need to take the same piece and it's right here, so I'm going to add I'm going to select this and delete it, and take this one, shift D to take a copy, and right click mirror to the global X, and now it is jumped there. Now we need to unwrap the neck. Just to grab it, hit slash, and let's see what we have. We have weighted normal, apply it. We don't need any modifier here. Hit Z and go to solid, tap to edit mode, alt click, select this entire edge loop, Q, mark seam, and I think that's it. You don't need anything else. And hit A and here hit U to unwrap it, and it's unwrapped, but we got a problem with the scale as it's written right here. So what I'm going to do is tap to object and control A, apply the scale, and let's do that again. Tap, hit A, and here hit U, and now it's cool. Maybe I can switch this to angle based. Let's see the difference. Yeah, this is better. Sometime if you see any distortion with the shape, try to choose angle based or conformal. So now tap to object and let's add the checker and his Z and go to material preview, and it is very nice and clean. Let's go to solid, and there we go. Now it's cool. I got some problem with the shading. I'm going to add weighted normal again and apply it, and now we are on the safe side. That's happened because we applied the scale. Because of that, we got this problem. So hit the slash and his and go to material preview, and as you see now, we got the head unwrapped. All the details of the head, we unwrapped them. Now after I complete the head, what I will do is I will jump to right view, hit number 3, and I will select all the head just to grab all the details. I'll have to grab these, and when you complete, tap to the edit mode with all these pieces selected, and as you see here we have all the pieces. What I can do now, go to UV and average island scale, because I need just to rescale all of these UVs. So just go to UV and average island scale, and as you see now it is still mass. So after that, go again to UV and just bake island to bring back all the details here in this square. So now as you see, we have all the details that we unwrapped of the head, all of these gathered here in this place. So now the head is ready, and now we can add the texture to this head, and it will be applied perfectly without any problem. So this is for the head parts. I will jump to complete the arm, the chest, all these details in the next modules. So tap to edit mode, we complete the head, and I will see you in the next tutorial.